Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we match the ending sounds in words. So, our first word that we're going to match to is snake. Let's pull snake out and see how it ends. Snake. Now one of these words ends the same. Let's pull out truck and then barn. Here we go. Truck. Barn. Which one ends the same as snake? Let's try these two. Snake. Truck. What do you think? Yes or no? Let's try snake and barn. Snake. Barn. Yes or no? Which one matches? Did you say truck? Because truck and snake both stop with k. Now we have monkey. So let's pull monkey, 10, and candy out, and then we'll check to see which ones end the same. Monkey, 10, candy. Let's try monkey and 10. Here we go. Monkey, 10. Do you think their ending sounds match or no? Let's try monkey and candy. Monkey, candy. Yes or no? I hope you picked monkey and candy because they both end with E. Okay. Now we have pizza, umbrella, and bee. So let's pull all three of them out. Pizza. Umbrella. Bee. Let's see if pizza and umbrella are the matches. Pizza. Umbrella. What do you think? Let's pull out pizza and bee. Pizza. Bee. What are you thinking about those? So which ones are you picking as a match? I hope you're picking pizza and umbrella because they both end with a. We have clock, baby, and duck. So we want to match the ending sound in clock to one of these words. Let's pull all three of them out to start. Clock, baby, duck. Maybe you already know what the match is, but it's always good to double check. So let's check clock and baby. Clock, baby. Clock, duck. What are you thinking? I hope you said clock and duck because they both stop with a k sound. And this is our last one. We have sun, camera, and can. Here we go. Let's pull all three out to start with. Sun, camera, can. Now let's see if sun and camera end the same. Sun, camera. What do you think? Let's pull out sun and can. Sun, can. What are you thinking? Okay, which ones are you picking? I hope you matched sun and can because they both stop with a n sound. Okay, see you next time.